Hey everybody, getting ready to hop on a little boat over to, what's the name of the island? Islam? Huh?
Tulang Island.
Tulang Island. So we're getting ready to hop on a little boat over to Tulang Island. So we just rode over from David's, and wanted to show you this entryway here, as it's really just incredible coming into here. That island off to the left is kind of where we're going, and yeah, just really beautiful. We're gonna spend a couple hours out here just kind of chilling, hanging out. And we just rent one of these boats down here and get us over there. Really cool. Looks like a little bit of a cloudy day, which will feel nice, but yeah, look at that, guys. Look at this view coming in here. Just beautiful, right? What a beautiful scene. All right, let's go find a boat. Hey. Yeah, it looks like it's high tide. Should be really good. You have to ride down here a little ways. I'm trying to remember. Oh yeah, right up here. You have to ride down here a little ways to get to the parking lot. But right here is where you park, and then right there is where you go in, get you a ferry. So we'll park here. You can hop up. What's up, everybody? Here we are. We are on our way to Tulang Island on the boat. Look at this, it's just beautiful. My own buntag.
On a good day, not so
Yes.
in it.
Yeah, not so in it. Really nice out. Really gorgeous. I was just sharing here about one of the moments I had. You know, the first time I was on one of these boats. You know, after watching all these videos of people on these boats, and here I am riding on, so it's really kind of cool heading out. Yeah, and that's gonna be, we're gonna have a little bit of an engine noise here in just a second. And right on cue. All right, guys, we'll be back in just a second. What's up? We made it to the island. Let's see if we can get some drone shots here. There's not a lot of wind. It looks really beautiful out. Let's see if we can get some drone. Let's roll that beautiful bean footage. Yes.
Check it on the map.
Yeah. Let's go see if we can get some cool drone shots. All right. And bring this down a little bit. Master shots. And then we'll do a box around here.
3, 2, 1.
All right, so yeah, we made it out to the island. We're out here for a little bit of time. How much was it, babe?
490.
So the ferry ride out was 490 pesos from the main island out to here, And then we also rented a hut, and the hut's 400 pesos. So the hut's 400 pesos is right behind us here. Really cool little hut here. So we have that for the day, and we're out here for the day. So, you know, yeah. So just under 1,000 pesos, you got yourself this really cool, beautiful beach here for the day. We're gonna hang out with. We're gonna see if we can explore more too of this island. I really don't know what's on the rest of this island other than the beach, but it looks great. A little bit of an overcast day, so you know, not super sunny, which honestly feels great. It's not super hot, but the water here, I mean, look at the water, just so blue and beautiful. So I think we're gonna swim around here a little bit too, and just kind of have fun, you know, experiment with the drone. Got the 360, Joe up there with the 360, yes, you. And actually got my buddy Scott. He's behind the scenes, really great guy from Reno, becoming a good friend. He's fresh off the boat, been here a couple weeks now, so he feels like he's in the Philippines now for sure. So, but yeah, just having a good time, checking it out. How's it going up there, girl?
Starting to get scared.
Starting to get scared? Huh?
Yeah.
What are you scared of? Oh, too funny. All right, well, yeah, we're up just hanging out, just loving it, enjoying the day on the beach here in the beautiful Camotes. Wow, look at these drone shots, man. I'm hoping they're turned out. Yeah, it's just really spectacular. Look at this beach. A little bit of debris on the beach, which wasn't here last time, but yeah, I'm sure, you know, it happens. The water is still really beautiful and really blue-green. So yeah, it looks like we're coming back. All right, babe, you can shut off the recording. Yep, back in a little bit with some more adventures on the island. All right, guys, now we're out. Gosh, man, I think we've got some really, really good drone footage there. Really spectacular scene. Just been out here, just kind of flying around, hanging out. We had some lunch. We had some barbecue, and Joe got some fried chicken. Well, Scott and I, who's my buddy from Reno, we had some barbecue chicken and with rice. So yeah, really good, really cheap. I think it was maybe less than 200 pesos per person. So I'll convert that out. But yeah, just chilling out here on this island. We pretty much just, you know, have it to ourselves. Just wandering around, and we'll be out here for the kind of a couple more hours maybe, and then kind of ride around the island a little bit more too. But yeah, just kind of walking around and swimming, just checking it out. So yeah, really beautiful day out here. Yeah, trying out the ginormous selfie stick. I'm sure it looks pretty funny. There's Joe. What's up, Joe? What do you think of the ginormous selfie stick? Huh?
It goes straight to China.
It goes all the way to China?
Yeah. My stung is when
Yeah.
it gets hit by the sun. It
Yeah, the
burns.
sun. So Joe actually got stung by a jellyfish earlier, so she's struggling a little bit there on her leg. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, unfortunately it's happens. Not too bad, but right? You got some vinegar?
Yeah, I got some vinegar that
Yeah.
lady gave me.
Yeah.
The lady said it's not jellyfish season, so that jellyfish might just wandered around
Right.
and got me.
Yep. I offered to pee on it for you, but yeah.
It's gonna smell like pee.
Yeah? You don't want to smell like pee? What do you think of this island, Joe? Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it. I like the pristine water and how quiet it is right now.
Yeah, I mean, we're like the only ones here.
Yeah, we get the island to all to ourselves.
Yeah, it's just beautiful, guys. Really, really awesome. And again, this is Tulang Island. You said on Google you saw people calling it mini Boracay?
Yeah, little Boracay.
Little Boracay?
Yeah, it's what they call it.
But I mean, there's hardly anything here other than beach. But yeah, love it, guys. All right, well, we're gonna just hang out here a little bit more, and then I think we're gonna go on a little bit of a motorcycle ride, then see if we can catch the sunset. That's another thing I want to try to get while I'm out here, is some sunset drone footage. I've been able to fly a lot of the drone today, which is really great. So yeah, all right, so we'll be back later with hopefully some really good sunset pictures. So see you guys soon. Real quick last view of the area here. Yeah, look at this. I mean, just spectacular, right? All right guys, back in a little bit.